Good morning mga kababayan. It's 8 a.m. and it's a rainy morning. But no rain or storm will stop us. The mission must go on. Ngayon, we're on the road to meet Congressman PM Vargas. Kasama din niya si Councilor Shay, Liban. And we're going to be talking about the next job fair that we're going to be organizing in District 5. No matter what happens, tuloy-tuloy pa din ang programang Handog Trabaho para sa tao. Good morning. Kumusta?
Kumusta? Oh, yes, kayo. Morning po.
Mai, she's our lead coordinator, si Miss Mai. Yeah. What we do is we organize job fairs. It's the only campaign that will decrease unemployment, decrease the crime rate, increase happiness, and of course, trade and economy. No? Everyone goes out, spends for their family, and everyone's happy. And that's my true advocacy when it comes, my one and only focus, to give them the skills to how to fish. What we're trying to tackle is yung age limit. Sa traditionally manpower agencies, especially yung makakita mo yung nagtatrabaho sa border, puro bata sila.
Makikita niyo. Kaya small yung tawag niya.
Yes.
Kasi meron kami lagi sa projects namin, small yung.
So, umikot kami. We just introduced sino yung dumating ng government agencies. So, siya yung trainer and everything. She talks about the fundamentals.
Ulang umaga.
Ulang umaga, nag-leave ka na?
Ito na lang ako. Una kong schedule Saturday yun para maraming tao.
Fridays. Yes. NDC and terraces. Okay.
Feeding siya, pasok ko na kaya.
Okay.
Basta wag kasama.
See, 3 additional agencies na sasama.
Para we can post that.
Yes. May kasamang Shopee.
Oh, Shopee.
So you have 3 vacancies sa Shopee. Yung sa website niyo, we'll talk again. Okay? All right. Thank you, Kong. We had a successful meeting with Congressman PM Vargas. Very excited for our job fairs. We also made plans for major future job fairs within Quezon City. So, we have a shoot today in our studio. Let's head to the Apex office. So, we just got here sa studio. Nag-shoot na tayo for promoting the next job fair this Friday and Saturday. Nag-decide na tayo?